welcomed here in Amsterdam in this beautiful location 280 participants from 25 countries.
We choose a very attractive city, very vibrant.
Amsterdam is always good. And even the weather has been good because I come from Norway. This was comfortable temperature, like spring temperature.
Well, I must say it's been fantastically organised. The location is beautiful. We've had great weather. Amsterdam's a beautiful city, and all the participants have been so eager to learn about new innovations that we can offer. It's been amazing. The atmosphere is great.